Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm pushing my chair back so I ain't all up in y'all's face. Okay, welcome to Wig Wednesday, and I will be reviewing this cutie here. It's called ODELIA, and it's a left side part. It's a lace part wig. This says lace front, but really it's just the part on the left side. And I have it in the color Java Frost. Dark Root Java Frost. And it comes in a bunch of colors. Those are the colors it comes in. And I got this from Amazon. And this is an OUTRE wig. Okay. This is what she looks like, and I've already cut the lace off. Look at that color. I recently found out that I can wear all these funny blonde streaky colors and I don't look strange, well, too strange. So I've never worn the wig. It's been on my dresser. And let's get to the specifics of this wig. Turn it inside out. Okay. It has a comb on each, I think it's at the temple. One over here, one over here. Here's the left side part, which I have already cut and put my MzBrazell notch into it. I always cut a notch into my parts so you don't see a line of demarcation. This also has a excuse me, this also has a comb in the back along with the tag. Y'all see the comb? And 2 adjustable straps. And I haven't adjusted anything. It has an airy wig cap so you can get some air. And nice, loose, beachy waves. Look at that. And I like the color. Okay. So, I'm going to put some powder in this part on this side. Just whatever I use on my face, just any old thing. Okay. And I think I'm going to darken up the lace around the edges. I'm just using some eyeshadow, dark eyeshadow. Be trying to angle this camera right. I'm learning. Okay. I'll put it on to see if I need to do anything about the edges. Okay. So I'm going to put on my wig grip. I don't wear a wig cap. Can't stand them things. Not for me. It's my wig grip. And the part is on the left side, so I'm putting this lace part right here. And it has Velcro. Oh, and I just got my own hair just combed back and braided in one braid and tucked under. Okay. I'm pulling, oh, I see some strands. I just pull it out, but what you expect? If you pull in hair, it's gonna come out. So I don't get excited over that. Ouch. going to put this lace part over this wig grip part. Okay. And I'm going to pull this back comb up under my tucked under braid. There you go. I don't attach these combs. There's one somewhere up here. I don't fool with them. This is easy breezy. Easy breezy. This is cute, y'all. Okay, I ain't gotta do nothing to the cut lace that's around here. Sometimes it's too light around my dark edges, but you don't even see it. So I ain't got to darken it. The part looks good. The wig fits nicely on my big head, so I would say it's big head friendly. I'm still too close. Okay, this is my short review of ODELIA. I don't know why I want to call her Ophelia, but it's ODELIA. In the color Java Frost. It's an outre lace part wig, and the part is on the left side. It's high definition transparent lace, heat resistant fibers up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and is synthetic. It says it has pre-plucked lace parting and natural baby hairs. This is mine. That's mine. It is nice, y'all. Very nice. You ain't got to do nothing to it. Just cut that little bit of lace off, put some powder in the part, and plop it on your head. I think it's cute. Let me get a thumbnail right now, and then I'll turn around and let you see it. Okay. And it's lightweight, but it looks full because it has the waves. Okay, front, right side. Look at the color, y'all. It's pretty. Can y'all see past this chair? I hope so. The back. Left side. I like it tucked behind my ear. Let me see. And the front again. Ain't this cute, y'all? I like it because it has a left side part. The hair is not getting in my face. I can't stand hair getting in my face. Nice length. Nice color. Okay, outre. Y'all on the ball with the colors. Java Frost. Java means coffee, I guess. And frost. This is pretty. So, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay.